Today we are going to visit customer to make a t-shirt. Let's go. Here we are. This one is the workshop, and the left side is PET film machine and the right side is the printing and cut machine. We printing the picture in the workshop first, then cut to piece like this, one piece by one piece. Now let's go to pick a t-shirt. T-shirt come in different colors. The ones that are more comfortable to wear in summer are 180, 190 and 220 t-shirts. Of course, if you want to dress more fashion, into it to 40 grams to 80 grams of heavy t-shirt. These t-shirts are blank without any printing on it. So let's take a teacher to go to ask a workmate to help us cut and print we just made. Actually, the cut is very simple, just cut out the picture you need. And the shape of the film, it doesn't really matter. You can cut any size you want or any shape you want. After cutting, we are going to take the texture and the film to transfer. Turn on the heat press machine and preheat to 125 degrees. Put the picture on the t-shirt, but adjust the position. Normally, heat press takes 6 to 8 seconds. Now it's finished, wait it to cool and then tearing off the film. Then we come to transfer the front of t-shirt. Tear off the film after coating and same way. Go and print in the label. The label we use this small labeling machine. If you have made a mark, you can tear off this mark and it can be teared off very clearly. The top film is softer. Also, another side will not transmit the line. Some people say that PET film printing may be airtight. In fact, it has something to do with the design. Each tech has its own shortcoming. If you avoid this shortcoming, add some hollow effects in the design, then its wearing experience is still very good. Now we are packing and it is ready. If you like this video, please follow us and like.